G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Citroën C4 Picasso. So if we turn the ignition on, we'll see the service warning come up. So you can see the service warning here showing 2000 Ks overdue, and you can also see the little light here that we need to reset. So we're just going to turn the ignition back off, and what we need to do is hold down this button while we turn the ignition on, and you can see the little countdown happening just in here. So we'll let that count down and we'll keep holding that button. Now it's reached 0, so we can release. Now what we need to do is an ignition cycle, so we can turn the ignition back off, remove the key, put it back in and start it up again. And you can see now it's reset that to 20,000 Ks and our service light's been reset. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your Citroën C4 Picasso. If this video helped you reset the service light, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.